Hello guys, this is using the box and whisker plot to compare datasets. In my case, Alex gave me this situation about two athletes that are training for a cycling race. And it says that each athlete recorded the distance in kilometers of their previous 75 training rides. So this is an important part, guys. Both of them recorded 75 of their training rides. And then it says that the box and whisker plot below summarizes the distances recorded for each athlete. Use the box and whisker plot to answer the questions. Something first, guys. Remember that each of the quartile represented by the whisker and plot, box and whisker plot graph represents 25%. So the first whisker represents 25, then at the beginning of the box till the middle point, that is the median, represents the other 25. From that to the beginning of the last whisker is 25, and the last whisker is 25%. So the first question here says that which athlete went on more rides longer than 23 kilometers? I'm going to put a line over here so you can see. I'm sorry, there is more than one line in there, but don't matter. Okay, both of them, athlete A and athlete B, have the same 75% greater than 23, you see? This is their 75%. So since they have the same amount of training rides, that 75% represents the same number, right? So in this case, the answer will be that they both have the same the same amount of rides longer than 23 kilometers. Now, the second one, which athlete had a greater median distance? That's very easy to answer because visually, this median is lower than this median. So athlete A had a greater median distance. It is a good thing to have things visual, right? One image, it says more than 1,000 words. Have you heard of that? Which athlete had distances with a larger interquartile range? Remember that the interquartile range is the distance from the lower quartile, this is lower quartile, to the upper quartile. So obviously that distance in here is lower for athlete A than for athlete B. For athlete B is visually higher. So that is option B. Now, which athlete went on the shortest training ride? The shortest training ride we can see in here that is for athlete A, because in here in the interquartile in the box and whisker box, this is the minimum, this is the maximum, and this is the, I forgot to put this when I mentioned it, this is the median, right? So for athlete A, the lower ride, the shortest ride is lower than for athlete B. So this is going to be athlete A, shortest training ride. Let me check it. It is correct. Thank you.